ever watched a movie and felt bad for the side characters? Not because something bad happened to them or something they did bad, but because they never get to have the entire screen, the entire camera. They just exist there to support somebody else's story and make it better. As a kid, this was one of my biggest concerns. I never wanted to see a movie where there was somebody who was less valued than the main character. I hate to admit it, but I think because I related to them. As a kid, I wanted to be the main character of everybody's life. It took me quite long to understand how and why do I think like this, or why do my mind function like this, that I want everybody to focus on to me. And I just don't understand, because it sounds wrong, right? That I want to be the main character in everybody's life. I don't know if you relate to this, but this is a very complex brick to break. As a kid, when we watch a movie, this just basically this idea settles down into us that there's always one main character and everybody else just supports the story, just exists there without any main existence. You know how uncomfortable I used to feel when I used to watch any music video, any dance video where there was one lead and 50 background dancers. I used to go, wait, these 50 people just are there to support this one lead. I want to ask this to you. How many times have you watched a music video and focused on to the background dancers? For looked at them. I once watched when one of my family members was in the background dancer. I could relate to the idea of how important it is for the people who are related to the person who is in the background. I've never liked this idea. Life teaches us that there's not only one stage, because who gets to decide that how many main characters can exist at one time? There's no one stage where one main character gets to stand and everybody else just claps for them. There's multiple stages. The person who barely makes in your screen or just entered for one chapter in your life is living entire seasons of their lives, like literally from waking up to choosing that one silly dish to eat, one silly dress to wear, everything. They're living their own life, but does not even matter to does not even cross your mind. This made me feel how entitled sometimes we become, that we don't even consider that everybody else has this whole story going on in their life, and we never just get to concentrate on, because we are so focused on ourselves. So I just want to tell you, you are already the main character of your life, because just think of this question: do you think about anybody else as much as you do about yourself? One question solved, that you are the main character. But the person you see in the background dancing also has goals, has prepared for years, has people who love them to death. So they matter equally. The person basically, you are somebody's most important person, but barely make you scream in somebody else's life. This is exactly what happens. This is very unequal division of focus, of limelight. So, as I don't know, I am still figuring out of how to capture it all. I never wanted attention. I was just uncomfortable with the idea that everybody has unequal visibility, which more or less is not questionable, because this is exactly what happens, because everybody has unequal capabilities, unequal achievements, and life is unequally unfair. But my mind has never been able to make peace with the entire idea. I don't have any conclusion to this video, because I still have not been able to crack this code of why this entire thing happens. I cannot claim that there should not be background dancers. I cannot claim that there should not be people, background supporters in movie. So there's just not one solution to this. I'm still trying to figure it all out. But there's one thing that I'm damn sure about, that I'm just very uncomfortable with people when there is one person we see and we just want to look at constantly, and there's one person who doesn't even matter, right? I have never understood this, and I don't think I ever will. But if you relate to this, because I don't think many people do, because this is, I have never been able to find a common ground at this topic with anybody. So if you do, then I just wanted to conclude it, if you're able to, because this is a very tough, complex situation to actually understand and break it down. But if you're uncomfortable that I want to be the main character in everybody's life, that is the main problem we're talking about. So over the time, you will realize that you cannot be. I have made peace with this situation slowly, like 40-50%. There's still much to travel, but that I cannot be main characters everybody's life. I cannot be like the main character everywhere I go. I cannot have the equal visibility as everybody else around me. It's just very simple, you know. So you cannot have the same energy constantly. You cannot pass the same energy constantly. So it happens. But when I realize that I am the main character of my life, I get to think about myself the entire day. I get to decide whatever season of my life is going on, whatever episode I'll start tomorrow, whatever clips I want to edit in this life, that is when I realize that I am the main character of my life. And sometimes people do make it realize to you. So you are the main character already, but still I feel bad for the background supporters. So I can't help it. Thank you so much. Have a great day.